guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Kim with Creative Crafticality, and today I will be making a page to go into my new journals that I'm making that are Strawberry Shortcake. And I wanted to make this. I saw it on Pinterest. It is just a tag page. This is actually the part that you would be putting into the signature, and these could be used for writing, journaling, or putting pictures. So I left these blank. I added pictures here, and then those are blank, and then the other side, those two are blank. So thought it was really fun. The tags are from Amazon, and I will put a link for that down below. The papers are from Joann's, and these were from a calendar that I had found at the Dollar Tree last year, or 2019 actually. It was a vintage Strawberry Shortcake. And then these little strawberry pieces are actually from a friend. She gave it to me, a piece of her daughter's, or some, I don't know where she found it, but it was a little girl's pajama dress. And she cut it in half and kept half of it and then gave me one. So I cut out those little strawberries. So I have items here, and I was going to show you how to make one of these. It's pretty easy actually, but you will need some scraps of paper, however many you want, and this could go for any theme. You will need embellishments. I have some heart punches. I put heart punches on the centers here, and I just used a heart punch that I have. I think it was Creative Memories, or you could just cut them out with scissors, whatever. And then I have two more pieces from the Strawberry Shortcake calendar, but you could just have, you know, whatever embellishments you have, or pictures from book pages. And then you need 6 tags, and you could either use the shipping tags that you can buy from Amazon, or like Hobby Lobby, I think probably sells them, or you can just cut your own out. Super simple to make tags. I love getting them like this and altering them in different ways. So I'm not going to use the little strings that these come with, so I'll just go ahead and pull those off. Some other things you may want: any kind of embellishments, some distress ink or just ink to distress with, and then ribbons. I have this red polka dot, and this is some strawberry ribbon that I actually got for my mother, and whipped from her crafting supplies that she had. And I also have some vintage Strawberry Shortcake fabric that she had that I pulled out of her sewing supplies, so I was able to use that in this book. Alrighty, so I have 2 pieces here that are 2 inches by 9, because 9 inches is the height of my book. So whatever height of junk journal that you're going to make, you'll want a piece that length and 2 inches wide, and you'll need 2 of them. And this is going to be the base of the page here. And what you're going to do is you're going to take these and fold them in half. One of them you'll fold in half with the print on the outside, and the other one you'll fold in half with the print going inside. You can use your, if you have a scoreboard, that will be probably helpful, but I don't have my tool with me right now, so I'm just gonna fold these. And also what I did with these is I tore the edges just to give it a little more texture, and I'm gonna go ahead and do that. It's kind of hard to fold these skinny pieces. And this is a heavy cardstock. I don't know if you've ever had this cardstock from Joann's. I love it. but it's harder to fold. All right, come get in here. Okay, and I'm going to go ahead and tear the sides. If you haven't seen, I just released another video and I made some altered glassine bags to go into these journals. Turned out really cute, so check out that video. I'll have a link for it down below and also probably at the end of this video. I think out of all the journals that I've made in previous years, these Strawberry Shortcake ones are always so fun. I made a few maybe a year or two ago, and I had another request for them again, so that's why I'm making these. And I have actually found other Strawberry Shortcake items, like from the original vintage 80s Strawberry Shortcake, so I'm excited to make these. One of the things, I had found a vintage Strawberry Shortcake coloring book, which I didn't have when I made these before. I just had like the newer Strawberry Shortcake, so I was able to put that one in. And then also I found a couple more vintage Strawberry Shortcake books, so I have book pages from those in here as well. Okay, and then I'm just going to do some inking on all these sides. This is optional, of course, but I always love the added detail of the distress on the edges. Leave a comment down below. What is your favorite character, a childhood character that you remember growing up? I know I have several favorites. Strawberry Shortcake being one, and Holly Hobby. I had a bedroom that was Holly Hobby. Let's see, I'm going to ink these too. What else? What did I... Well, like Alice in Wonderland, Mary Poppins, those were always a favorite of mine. So I have made those books as well, and I have more of those to come. And so there's so many journal themes that I want to make. I wish I had more time. Okay, and then I'm going to go ahead and ink these up too on both sides. I'll go ahead and do these and come right back. All right, those are all inked. I didn't cut all my pieces, but you do need a few little pieces of scrap paper. These are the width of the tag, which I think is like 2 3/8, and then by 1 inch. So on mine, I did 4 on the outside and then 2 on the inside, so 6 total. So I have those, and then I didn't cut these, but I have 4 of those, 1, 2, 3, and 4. So this was scrapped, so I'm just going to cut it in half. It's not quite 1 inch. I think it's like 5/8. But I'm just going to cut this in half and then cut these down to size. So I think it's 2 3/8 approximately. Right? Yeah, 2 3/8. Go ahead and cut those. Edge that, of course. All right, almost done with our prep work, and then we can go into actually putting the page together, which is not very difficult. Okay. I think that was it. I think there was one I saw I didn't get. That one. All right. Okay, so I'll show you how to put this together, and then I'll speed through actually decorating it. But you pretty much take these two, starting on one side, and you're going to glue your tag in between one side, and you want them to be spaced out evenly. I'm putting the edge of the tag at the edge, at the, you know, of each, out at the bottom. I'm lining the tag at the top and the bottom. That's what I want to say. My words were getting away from me. So I put those two in and then put that right in the center. And now just add your glue in and glue the end of the tag. Just gonna add a little bit of glue in there. And you can put the glue all the way down, because you'll want those other parts of the paper to be glued to each other. So you can go all the way down and then add in your tags. Let's make sure it's in the center there. All right, then you just push it down, fold it in half to make sure you have it even there. And then you go ahead and do the same thing on the other side. Put glue on both sides all the way down. And then fit your tags in. And press it, make sure it's stuck together there. And that is your base part of this page. So now it is basically just decorating the tags. So I am just going to just start playing with, I'm gonna actually do it exactly like I did this one, because that's what I do when I make my journals, is make two of each and do everything kind of similar. So I'll just speed through and I'll let you watch how I put this all together. right, so here's how it turned out. As I said, I was doing it the same as the other one, but I think it's just a really unique but easy page for a junk journal. You could also do this for a scrapbook as well. You would just, I don't know, you'd have to figure out the logistics of this part. Maybe it would just be, you would glue this to the page in the scrapbook, and then this would just be an open, like a part on the book, on the page where it opens like this with the 3 tags. But yeah, I really love this. It's so cute. Of course, you know, they're smaller bits to add journaling to, but I think it kind of breaks up the monotony of just the full pages as you flip through the book. I love to see different size pages going through the junk journal. So yeah, I really love how this turned out. I hope you did too. Give me a thumbs up if you did. Leave me a comment and subscribe. And I will see you again next time. This is Kim with Creative Crafticality. Bye. God bless.